Hi, my name is Joel Garner. I'm the owner of Joel's Carnivorous Plants, and this is a video made to show a way to deal with fruit flies and drain flies in your kitchen or your sink. This is a setup I made here with, this is a Drosera capensis, also known as a Cape Sundew, which I think is the best plant to use for this purpose. And I put it in this pot here with, there's about 4 good-sized plants in here, and they catch fruit flies and drain flies on their sticky leaves. And I have a lot of customers who've been doing this, and apparently there's a lot of online stuff about it already, so I figured I'll make a video myself showing what you can do. I got a 6-inch pot and I just filled it with long fibered sphagnum moss. I sell these with 3-inch pots, and usually something like that. That plant right there is what you'd get with a 3-inch pot. Sometimes they're a little more like this size back here, but they're good size for this species of plant. And these are like, you see these little black spots here, like that there, and you can see some on this leaf. Those used to be flies. And what it does is it catches them, they get stuck to the leaf, it digests them, and it works remarkably well. I don't know that it will 100% eradicate pests, but it sure seems to catch an awful lot of them. And a lot of stuff that you would use to have a very effective control of these pests involves pesticides, stuff that's toxic to humans. Whereas this is totally non-harmful to humans. You don't have to use a pesticide or any